Hello, thanks, Sumis. Hello, everyone. My name is George. I'm a software engineer at Facebook. In the past few months, I have been working on PyTorch and Torchtext. So today, I'm going to talk one of our domain library, Torchtext. First, why we want to have this repo here. So a key focus area of Torchtext is to provide some fundamental elements to accelerate NLP study. Those include some easy access to dataset and some basic processing pipeline. So the purpose for those is user could use those pipeline on some raw data based on this operator. User can easily generate this data, pre-process, and send to their model. So we want to accelerate those NLP process. So help our people focus on the model. So we provide them some easy access to the data. Okay. Next, what's included in this new release? In this new release, we include several popular supervised learning datasets with some easy one-comment data loading. I will show you an example later. So text classification is a very important NLP task with many applications, such as sentiment analysis. The new release includes several popular text classification, like the AG News, Yelp for Review. Check out these datasets. You may be interested about this dataset. So each of these datasets comes with two parts. One part is the training part and the test part. You can further split those the training and the test dataset. You have the flexibility to split those datasets. Each dataset also supports the n-gram feature, which you can use to capture the partial information about the local word order. So yeah, check out our datasets, give us feedback. Here's a very simple example. With this single line, you can load the dataset AG News, and then another line, you can just generate the vocabulary. So very easy to use this dataset. So in addition to those datasets, we also include a full tutorial to show how to use those datasets for the text classification analysis. For a long time, our GitHub user requests this kind of tutorial. So this time we released this full tutorial to show how to actually use our datasets. In addition to those, we improved a few functions to help you easily implement future dataset. So you can find more examples on our GitHub. So in addition to those domain library, if you know, PyTorch also provide a lot of tools to load data. This includes some data loader and iterable dataset. Check out GitHub to see this. It's may helpful for you hackathon this time. Okay, finally, I want to talk about the transformer model in our code library. It's not in Torchtext, but it's very interesting. So in the PyTorch code library 1.2 release, we have a standard transformer model based on the paper, attention is all you need. So transformer model is very has high quality for many sequence-to-sequence problem. It's rely entirely on the attention mechanism, which is the multi-head attention in our code library. We use this transformer to see the dependency between the input and output. Since the very beginning, we receive many great feedback from our GitHub user. So we try to make our model very orthogonal, which means you can just use the transformer decoder, transformer encoder, or even just the multi-head attention. You have the flexibility to use each individual component. I also include an example here on our GitHub to use this transformer encoder for a word language model. So you can see how we implement this transformer for actual NLP task. Okay, that's pretty much before I finish. If you have any question, we are happy to talk. Feel free to reach out to us on GitHub, ask us questions. And we have more documentation on Torchtext website. And for this hackathon, we have other ecosystem repos such as FairSeek, LNLP, PyTorch transformer. So if you plan to work on some NLP task, talk with us first. Very likely you don't need to start your model from scratch. So you can borrow some model from those our existing repo. Yeah. Thank you.